The information wey dey reach our office right now na be say the Biafra US members they say they don arrive for inside Finland to stop the Biafra declaration. E don read o as this man wey una know very well for this channel, una go know am very well. E don come outside o, come bring the video come outside, which we go play you here, make you watch. As that one dey happen, they say that the northern governors are on it again. They shut down market inside the northern part of Nigeria, and they are now giving award and honoring the ex-Boko Harams, repentant Boko Harams. Omo, we know they the same country o, some part wey be say they go dey catch people wey talk of freedom, and people wey dey buy people, wey dey pursue people comot for their house, wey dey buy farmers. They go catch them, come outside, come tell us say they don't repent. They are now a repentant Boko Haram. I'm going to first bring you the video of US members waiting for inside Finland before we jump inside the one where they happen for northern part of Nigeria, as this our brother will explain more better. Don't forget say you still there for Blabber Gist. Make sure say you share the video so that other people could get the information.
Wonderful people. Another one. I have a lot today, and my videos today is going to shock every one of you. I told you people that Simon Ekpa is not coming out today, and always ask yourself this question: what are you going to Finland to do? But I am Mazo Kendo Kechko the General. I am here in a time like this to always clear your doubts. I told you people that Simon Ekpa don't have liver. Simon Ekpa is just a talkative. Simon Ekpa is an agent of provocateur. Only what he does is on internet. Only to rant, to shout, to start committing nuisance on social media. But when you come on the ground, you can't find the guy. He's too afraid. The person that you are going to hear his voice now is the national coordinator of Ipob under one family. His name is Ugo KK, a very strong man indeed. He went to Finland. He was calling Simon Ekpa, I am here in Finland, and I'm going to stay in Finland for 1 week waiting for you. Don't just go out there and begin to lie to people that you have done this, you have done that, but he's there in Finland waiting for you. Do you know what Simon Ekpa did? He ran 440 to police station. He ran to police station and told the police people in Finland that some terrorists are here. They want to deal with him. Remember that Ipob that was in Finland is under the leadership of Mazen Namdekana. But Simon Ekpa himself don't want to be called a terrorist. But the report that he gave to police people in Finland, that some group of terrorists landed in Finland, in Graz, to deal with him. But the video that is going to come after this, I told you people, Simon Ekpa can never escape this. And all of you that are traveling to Finland now, your pictures, everything have captured. I have cancelled that event. But some of you that are hell-bent don't want to hear. Very, very soon, all of you will begin to cry like baby. And remember that you people told me that I will explain tire. That is why I'm here in a time like this to keep on explaining. You know, some of you that just dabble into issue that you don't know. I am Mazo Kendo Kechukwu. I love you. That is why I'm doing this. That is why I want to save your life. That is why I want to, turn around your thinking faculty that idiot in Finland have stolen from you. Because you know Simon always think for you people. But I want you to always think for yourself and decide what do you want to do for yourself. That is why we're here. We can never force anybody to believe in a theology of Ipob. We are not going to push you to believe, but we are going to preach to you to get you convinced, and then you will join the struggle willingly. Now pay attention to this strong man, Ugo Keke, and you will know that Simon Ekpa is just a nobody, a son of nobody. Now you understand. Good day, and listen to this. Mazo Kenno Kechuku, don't stop. Continue.
This is Lat. I think this is Lat here, right? Okay, this is Lat. I can see. Let me show you. This is Lat. You can see we are here. We are here live and direct. We are here live and direct.
We are Biafrans.
Please. You say you have been posting away my video, my pictures, telling people to search for me, to give me my identity. While I'm here in the city, I'm here. So I was waiting for me to see you here, Black, here, just right away. Not searching for my identity, searching for people to tell you what is my name, where am I? No, I'm here in that. I can see our office. I know when you came to this Finland up to 14 years ago, and you think you can intimidate people, you think you can, everybody is people you intimidated enough here in Finland. We are not like that. We are not like that. So we don't want to call them. Once you are ready, you know where we are. We have another 1 hour to go here for today because I am going to be here for 1 week. So anytime you need me, I'm still in Finland. So I'm still in Finland, Simon Ekpa. I'm not running away. I'm not running away about the threat of searching my identity. I'm here. So you know where to look at me. I'm waiting.
Right, wonderful people, back to back. I am Mazo Kenno Kechuku, the General. Breaking news. I know some of you will begin to doubt it because all of you are doubting Thomas. But I am the one that is going to tell you the truth. And you are going to hear the update from me. That is why I'm telling you there is no need hating on me. There is no need. Because I'm here to tell you the truth always. Simon Ekpa have finally spoken. Like I said before, Simon Ekpa was not arrested by any local police in Finland. That Simon Ekpa is hiding. That Ngozi Orebeze should come and tell us where is Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa now is telling you that he was not arrested by anybody. Nobody arrest him. That no JG Okpo, that he will use blow to destroy the president of Nigeria mouth, which is Ahmed Bola Tinubu. That is exactly what Simon Ekpa said on this video. And all of you are going to listen to it. Don't doubt it. We are here. Mazo Kenno Kechuku, the General. Update. Now you will hear and understand. In a time like this, that is why I'm here, to always give you update. According to Simon Ekpa, he said that he's going to use blow to tear the president of Nigeria mouth. He's going to, geji blow kwasi on. He's talking to Tinubu. He said that Tinubu don't have what it takes to arrest him. And at the same time, he said nobody ever crossed his door. I told you people that Simon Ekpa was hiding. But some of you wouldn't believe me. But at the end, you will know. We are here. Okay. Pay attention and listen.
Hey! All right, thank you very much, everyone. May God bless you all from here. That one.
Thank you. Thank you, PM.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. I think we're going to end this Zoom.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, quickly drop your own opinion for inside comment section and share the video so that other people go hear wetin they talk. Now so you be okay, my people. Make we jump inside wetin they happen for Nigeria now. Watch this video I'm going to play you. May you hear the latest thing where they happen now so they talk.
Breaking news. The governor of Kaduna State just shut down the major market in Kaduna State to welcome repentant bandits. Imagine a governor of a state welcoming terrorists that have been terrorizing the state, killing people, like burning houses and everything. They are welcoming them. The governor of the state is welcoming them, giving them an honor. If you go to Kaduna State, you find out that there are many poor families, there are many people without jobs, there are many people that can't eat in a day, and here they are welcoming, giving a preferential treatment to bandits, terrorists. See, I'm thinking that these people are the ones sponsoring all these terrorists, this Boko Haram of a thing and the ISIS and everything. These people allegedly might be the one behind all this. How can governor of a state? Okay, look at Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu, court has given order for them to release Nnamdi Kanu for over like 2 years now. These people have locked on Nnamdi Kanu for doing nothing. And here the northern governors keep welcoming bandits, giving them preferential treatment, giving them houses, giving them all manner of things, hoping for them to be part of the society. How can a criminal be part of the society?
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please, I want you to share this video and make sure you drop your own opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow our Facebook page so that anytime and turn your notification, but anytime we upload video, go be the first person we're going to get the information. Please, this video that I posted here, I want you to share it. Many people need to watch this video. Share the video. I see the red.